I think it's time to have again another lady on stage. It's Corina. She is IT consultant and entrepreneur, passionate about the new digital economy. Corina is VP Entrepreneurship and Technology at the board of the Professional Women International Association. And Corina will explain us how we can restore the balance of the data.
Thank you, Nelly. I'm here to make you think. Statistical and machine learning algorithms are being used widespreadly for ranking and predictive analytics. Those algorithms are making decisions that affect our lives. Risk score will determine how much you pay for health insurance, for car insurance. Credit score can determine in what neighborhood you can live in. And HR is using it to choose the best candidate. And there are other uses in very delicate and life-critical matters, like the algorithm that's helping judges decide if to release a prisoner or not, depending on the risk of returning to the justice system. So those complex algorithms are being constructed from our historical database, historical information, sorry. And our information, and more in the history, we did a lot of discriminations, things change, but we still are humans and we discriminate, and conscious bias are there. And all this is implicit in the data, and it will be reflected on the algorithm. So I'm concerned that it may also follow a vicious spiral effect if we think of Schelling's segregation algorithm. And for the ones who don't know it, Schelling is an economist, and he created an agent-based algorithm to show the dynamics of neighborhood segregation. And the idea is to see how the level at individual level of tolerance or intolerance reflects at a community level. So he created this algorithm, and they created a game with it that you can play. And you can set up the level of tolerance of people, of the agents. And let's imagine that you put 70% of tolerance on people. And you let the game play. That means people, if they have 7 out of 10 neighbors, they are happy, they stay there. But if not, they don't feel comfortable. And then they move. And you let people move around until everybody is satisfied. Well, the result is this one. You end up with clusters of people alike that shows an 80% of segregation. So small intolerances are amplified at community level. So let's imagine you're a business angel and you want to fund, you have candidates, entrepreneurs to be. In Belgium, we have 70% of male entrepreneurs and 30% of female ones. And historically, it's not even that. So chances are that your algorithm will be giving a better score for male entrepreneurs because your universe of examples to begin to construct the algorithm just have more positive examples of male because it has just more positive examples, more examples of male entrepreneurs. So you will be perpetuating the status quo or amplifying it if you think of Schelling's findings. But if you are aware of this and you compensate for unbalanced data sets, then the chances for women will increase, and you will be not perpetuating this discrimination. So this is my message to you, data science community and entrepreneurs. check for discrimination, check for the bias, compensate the unbalanced data sets. You will be improving the future of our society. The best way to do this is to have a diverse team, because each of us are conscious of the problems we are having, the bias that are against us. So if you have a diverse team, you will be more aware of the different biases, discriminations that is in your data. Let's move towards a better balanced world. Thank you very much.